Hi, good morning. Today we are going to be working on replacing some fascia board. Let me show you what I got here. I am going to be replacing this brown board right here. Right? That one right there. All right. A couple reasons why I'm replacing it. As you can tell, it kind of goes wavy, wavy, wavy underneath. And of course the roof is rather wavy too. Currently what is on here is 1x6. Now what I'm going to do to try and get rid of some of this wave in the bottom is I'm going to put in a 1x8, drop it down a little bit more and try and get a more straighter appearance on the bottom. I'm not going to actually be able to fix the soffit underneath, nor am I going to be able to fix the wavy roof above it. But at least the bottom line of the new fascia will at least be straight. So anyways, let me show you what I actually have here. These boards are kind of rotted. They had some gutters up here that kind of rotted these boards out a little bit. So now I'm using a wooden ladder. I don't recommend using a wooden ladder. I'm using it because it seems to be in pretty good shape. But I don't recommend using them. They tend to fall apart. So be careful if you're using a wooden ladder. Always try and get an aluminum or a fiberglass one. They're safer. All right, the way that I'm going to do this is I'm going to set up some strings, a string from one end to the other, and then I'm going to set these boards according to that string, and that's what's going to give us our kind of straight line looking. Let me show you what we got done today. So I went ahead and filled all the holes, caulked the seams, and I went ahead and painted. I didn't figure you needed to see that because I do a lot of painting. We'll be doing painting later. So anyways, this is what I ended up with. I'm kind of pleased. Like I said before, I just wanted to kind of straighten up the bottom line a little more, kind of make it look a little better. So this is what I ended up with. Have a look. There you have it. The fascia has been replaced, reinstalled, and painted. Thanks for watching.